Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to download file using Laravel Livewire. So let's get started with an example. So in previous video I already show you how to redirect route. So in this video we will learn how to download the file. So let me go here and we already perform over here. So once you upload the file, for example, let me upload another file. So and click on submit. You can see that photo is uploaded successfully, and if you go here and to the database, I already show how to store. Okay, so now what I will do, simply go and list of all the photos I will display into the table. Okay, so first of all I will go here and here pass all the images. Okay, so I will say images, and here I will be pass like image colon colon all. Simply save it. So inside this view I pass the images. Okay, so let me go here into the blade file. So let me go here and here I will be create table. So here I will be create a bootstrap table. So I will say bootstrap table. Okay, and you can see name, and here I will say download. Simply save it. Okay, and now let me access the images variable. So let me go for each. Okay, and here I will say images as an image. Okay, and here I will say and for each. Okay, and here I will be add tr. Okay, so now let me go and add td. So what I will do, I will take image id over here, and then I will say image title, because if I go here into the model and there is an image, you can see that title. Okay, so that I display, and here I will be add one button. So let me add button over here, and I will say class btn success, and that's called download. Okay, save it. Okay, and now let me go here and refresh it. Okay, you can see that over here simply download button. So let me make it proper design. So I will say width 200 pixel, and I will say margin top will be 3. Save it. Okay, and now refresh. You can see that proper design over here. And now let me also add width over here, that's called 50 pixel. Okay, and refresh it. You can see the num with the download button. Now if I click on the download, it should be download the file. Okay, so now let me go here and create over here click event. So I will say wire click, and then I will say simply download function will call, and I will pass the argument like file name, because file path we are already stored into the database. So let me show you over here. You can see here we are already store file path. Okay, so let me go here, and here I will be pass image file path. Okay, save it. And now if I go here into the livewire class, here I need to create one function that's called download, and I will get path as an argument. Okay, and now what I need to do, return simply storage colon download. Okay, and here I need to add path. If you are using like S3 bucket or any other disk, then you need to define the disk as well, but right now I am using default disk. So you can see directly I can use download function over here and save it. Okay, and here I need to use storage facade. So I will simply say storage and save it. Okay, and now let me go here and refresh it, and if I click on it, yeah, you can see that I can get the file downloaded over here. If I click on another file, yeah, you can see that it can be a download easily. Okay, so I hope you guys understand how easily we can pass the file path over here, and download function we can call it, and simply we need to response the download. So you can see how easily we can implement Livewire with the download.